in today's video I wanted to share with you 3 ways in which you can prepare oatmeal, as well as 3 flavors I really enjoy eating. And of course you can mix around the flavors with the way of preparing them. I'm just sharing with you the way I enjoy them. And now, without further ado, let's get into the recipes. First, we will prepare a peanut butter flavored overnight oats. To begin, you will need to start by adding half a cup of rolled oats into a mason jar or any other airtight jar, along with 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 to 2 tablespoons of PB2 powder, which is just dehydrated peanuts powder, or you can choose to use regular peanut butter instead. And then add about 30 stevia drops, but if you choose to use peanut butter, you can skip over this step. Mix all of these ingredients together in the jar and add in about 1 cup of water, or you can choose to use plant-based milk instead if you would like it to be more creamy. It is your choice. Give it a stir and close up the lid. Place it in the fridge overnight or for at least 5 hours. When you're ready to enjoy the oatmeal, take it out of the fridge and open it up. You will see it is very dense, so what I like to do is add half a cup of warm water to get it to a consistency I enjoy better, as well as warm it up a bit. If you do not want to do this step, then just add the half cup of water or another half cup of milk when you put it into the fridge. Next, I will prepare my toppings. I like to take half a ripe banana and slice it up to place on top of my oats. Along with 1 tablespoon of cacao nibs, and I like to sprinkle that on top. Finally, I also mixed some more PB2 powder with water to drizzle on top of the oats, and you can of course again use some peanut butter to drizzle on top. And then it is ready to be enjoyed. Next, we will prepare apple and cinnamon stovetop oats, which is probably the most traditional style of cooking oatmeal. Start by dicing up 1 apple into small cubes. You can either use red apple or green apple, it is up to you. To a small pot, add half of the apple that you cubed, along with half to 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and a splash of water. Give it a quick stir through, cover it up, and let it cook on medium heat for 3 minutes or so. Next, add into the pot half a cup of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and mix it in with the apples. Then add 1 cup of water or plant-based milk, stir, cover with a lid, and let it cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. If you like your oats to be more liquidy, go ahead and add another 1/4 cup to half a cup of the liquid of your choice, whether it's water or plant-based milk. And then when it's ready, go ahead and serve it into a bowl. I really enjoy topping this off with the other half of the apple. I really enjoy topping it off with the other half of the apple that is fresh, a few walnut pieces, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Then dig in and enjoy. Finally, we will prepare a chocolate flavored instant oats, and these aren't actually instant oats, but you can do them with only boiling water, so it is perfect if you don't have a stovetop. Start by bringing about a cup of water to a boil. Meanwhile, to a bowl, add half a cup of rolled oats along with 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and mix them together. Add the 1 cup of water over the oats, give it a bit of a stir, and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. You will see that all the water was absorbed during this time, and now it is time to flavor it with 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, along with about 30 stevia drops. Mix the cacao into the oats until it is fully mixed in. I like to top this one off with 1 tablespoon of coconut shreds, 1 tablespoon of dried cranberries, and about 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. Then it is time to enjoy this chocolatey treat. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like it. It really makes my day and helps me out with the algorithm. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe down below to join the Living Life Simply community and never miss another video. Feel free to share this video with whoever you think might enjoy it, and let me know in the comments below which combination of flavor with preparation you did, and I will see you all very soon with a new video. Bye!